Inside the box are stickers, instructions, light strings and foam board. Foam board has the base, the side and the back stand. Expanded foam board. Pop out all the holes. Glue the scored lines with stickers. Make sure to tape all the scored lines front and back. Pop out all the holes. Bend all the side walls following the scored lines. Fold the side and put them into the inner hole. Lift the base and insert. Foam boards are installed according to the marked numbers. First, match numbers. Second, insert. Install the sides in the order of 1, 2, 3, 4. Attach them one by one. Glue the gaps between side walls. Remember to tape all the gaps. Expanded back stand and glue the scored lines. Insert from the back. Put heavy objects to stay stable. Unscrew the lampshade. The side with the numbers is the back. The lampshade should be attached to the side without numbers. Install the light string in order. All done. Put in the batteries and see how it looks. Hot glue gun and glue not included. If you want to make it more stable, you can use the hot glue gun to glue the side walls to the base from the back side. It's a bit tricky and you'll need some hands-on skills.